Imagine launching your own online empire without ever touching a single product or worrying about shipping logistics. That's the power of dropshipping on Shopify, and in just 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Step 1: Product research is paramount. Dive into platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, which is now integrated into Shopify, or Thief to identify trending, high-demand products with good profit margins. Look for items that solve a problem or tap into a popular niche. Step 2: Set up your Shopify store. Choose a catchy store name, design an attractive and user-friendly interface, and write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features. Make sure your branding is consistent and professional. Step 3: Connect your supplier with Shopify. Integrating apps like Oberlo or Orders makes importing products and syncing inventory with your supplier a breeze. You'll choose your supplier based on product quality, shipping times, and reliability. Step 4: Marketing your business is crucial for sales. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook with targeted ads and engaging content. Consider influencer collaborations and search engine optimization (SEO) to drive organic traffic. Step 5: Fulfill orders and provide excellent customer service. Once a customer buys, your supplier ships directly to them. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve any issues efficiently to build trust and encourage repeat business. Voila! You've just learned the core steps to launching your own dropshipping business on Shopify. It's an accessible path to entrepreneurship, empowering you to build a thriving online store without the complexities of traditional retail.